Ahead of the celebration of the 54th National Unity Day, also known as the 20th May in Cameroon, the Senior Divisional Officer for Lebialem, Mr. Amba Fabian Nkang, officially launched the activity marking the celebration today, Friday, May 15, 2026, in Menji at the Women Empowerment Center. This year, National Unity Day will be celebrated under the theme Backbone of Our Defense System, Bedrock of Cameroon Development.
The theme is not just a slogan, it is chosen for celebration. It is a strong reminder to every Cameroonian that the strength of our nation lies first in our unity. Without unity, there can be no peace. Without peace, there can be no security. And without security, there can be no development. National Day in Cameroon is celebrated every 20th of May to remind us of the importance of living together as one people, despite our differences in language, culture, religion, political opinions, and ethnic background.
Speaking during the launching ceremony, the Senior Divisional Officer for Lebialem called on the population to embrace peace, unity, and living together, stressing that war does not pay.
We shall be celebrating unity. We have passed through thick and thin, that you know. We have to celebrate our institutions, our defense and security forces. At no instance we should advocate disorder. War pays nobody. Unity as the backbone of our defense system signifies that when we are united, we are stronger. We will have victories.
He added that the essence of the launching was to mobilize and encourage greater participation from the population in this year's festivity.
Yeah, thank you. We have launched the 54th edition of the National Day in the Lebialem edition today, the 15th of May 2026. This is to open up the activities of leading to the 20th day celebration. Those who attended, the rundown of the program has been given as these are including the activities will be going on that will culminate on the 20th of May 2026. We hope that it will be successful in our division given the success of this launching.
So, sir, what word of encouragement do you have for the people of Lebialem? For this year is going to be a special year. We have mobilization of students preparing for march past. So, what word do you have for encouraging the people of Lebialem? That's the three constituency. We have the Wabani, the Alo, and the Fontaine for the massive turnout.
Yes, we want to start by thanking all the administrative authorities, the administrative officials, the traditional authorities for the mobilization. And we say we are counting on them for the massive turnout and the success of the celebration of our National Day in the Lebialem division. We encourage them to mobilize this year more than ever before so that the turnout be impressive.
Thank you, sir.
Speaking to Gaza Media, The principal of Government Technical High School Fontaine said both staff and students are fully prepared for the upcoming 20th May celebrations that will take place at the ceremonial ground.
GTHS Fontaine is well prepared. Both the staff, the administration, and the students. So on the 20th, which is on Wednesday, the staff, the administration, the students, they will participate in the field with the following activities that are prepared for the area of sport. They will have high jump. For culture, there is dancing, and equally they will do a march past. So far, this is how far we have gone for our preparation as a GTHS Fontaine.
The principal also seized the opportunity to appeal to the authority for the school to be transferred to a permanent campus.
Yes, GTHS Fontaine at the present state, they are in the temporal site, but 70%, we are sure that for next academic year 2027, we are going to have a permanent structure. And if we happen to be in our permanent structure, it will go a long way to give us a lot of advantages. Like this year, we are writing a CAP exam in this our temporal site. But as from next academic year, if we happen to be in our permanent site, it will also encourage parents, because at the present moment this space is small, but in our permanent site we shall have enough space that we are marking not more than 100 students for next academic year.
How this year's National Unity Day theme will contribute to the development of Cameroon, especially in enclave areas like Lebialem, is what many people are looking forward to seeing. Ernest Kumba for Gaza Media.